Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Ace Friend. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 17th of February, third week of this monthly expiry, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 18th of February, Friday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the world indices. If you look at European indices, Germany, France and UK, these three indices are having mixed signals. Germany is mixed. Two indexes are flattish and three indexes are in positive. However, France is almost in positive with UK slightly trading in the negative zone. If we talk about China, the previous trading session closed in green. If we talk about US, in US we were marginally in red with Dow Jones less than 0.16%, Nasdaq less than 0.12%, and S&P 500 was slightly up by 0.09%. So as of now the markets are trading flattish. I would say if we look at the FIDI data for today, FIs were net sellers of 1242 crores and DIs were net buyers of 901 crores. So today we saw huge volatility, and again on the second day the Nifty has formed a red candle and the Nifty opened at 17,396. It opened gap up, but from there it could not sustain. So let's go to the 15 minutes chart to understand the price action for today and tomorrow. If we see Nifty open gap up, and in first 1 hour it filled the gap, and from there the support which was given to you 17,280, so it was pretty sure that if this is broken then definitely Nifty is going to break further, but Nifty did not do that. Nifty took a support from that point, went up to the level of resistance which was 17,400 to 420, which was given to you. From there it again went down, so it was a kind of a volatile day today, and Nifty has closed at 17,304. So tomorrow if Nifty opens gap up, then the first resistance would be at 17,370, the second would be at 17,400 to 420, and the last resistance would be at 17,540 to 550. If Nifty open gap down and if this is broken 17,280, then we are definitely testing the levels of 17,150 to 170, and we might test 17,000 also. Let's look at the option chain to validate the data. As of now it's Thursday, so of course the option chain data might not be very reliable as the data is very less. However, at the ATM strike price of 17,300, we can see a lot of put writing is there as compared to call writing, and the next put writing zone is at 17,000. If we talk about the call writing zone, majority of call writers are standing at 17,500. So for this week also it seems like 17,500 to 17,000 would be the level. If we look at Bank Nifty was comparatively much weaker as compared to Nifty. Nifty just lost 17 points from the previous closing. However, Bank Nifty had lost more than 422 points. We need to go to the 15-minute chart to understand the price action. If we go to the 15-minute chart, friends, you can see that Bank Nifty also opened gap up, but in the initial 1 hour it lost all the gains and took support from 17,000. In fact 7,600 to 37,650 was also broken, but there again it came good support, and then from the range of 37,850 to 37,520 it was trading in that range, and after the last trading session hour it kind of closed slightly below that. So 37,531 is the closing for Bank Nifty. If we open gap up tomorrow, then of course the first resistance would be at 37,650, second 37,850, and the third would be at 38,150. If we open gap down, then first support would be at 37,400, second would be at 37,250, and third would be at 36,850. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. If you go on the option chain, let's look at the ATM strike price. At ATM 37,500, a lot of call writers are there, but these numbers are less as compared to the put writers. So put writers are 34,000 and call writers are just 25,000. So of course these put writers will try to push the market above. If we talk about the support, 37,000 is a level where we can see a lot of good call writing, put writing is happening. If we talk about the call writing zone, the call writing is happening at 38,000. So there is a narrow range for tomorrow, 37,000 to 38,000. So that's all for today's video, friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the video. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.